Hello, 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 my fellow mathletes. Root Beer here with question number 14 on the grade 8 Gauss contest from the year 2004. Okay, so let's take a look at this one together. A rectangular wooden prism is made up of 3 pieces, each consisting of 4 cubes of wood glued together. Which of the pieces below has the same shape as the black piece? Now on mine it came through as it's a dark gray, but you can sort of tell the black piece is the one towards the back. We can see 3 of its pieces up here on the top layer. Okay. So there's nothing we can rule out right away because all the pieces they show as possibilities, A, B, C, D, and E, have 4 cubes of wood glued together. So not much help there. But we can see that this is a 2 by 2 by 3 sort of rectangular prism. And the light gray piece, the one at the forefront, looks like the little T piece from Tetris. All 4 pieces, all 4 blocks of gray wood are apparent. There's the white piece over here on the right, and we can only see 3 of its pieces. And the black piece, the one we're interested in, we can only see 3 of its pieces. So there's there's 2 pieces that are not in view. One of them's black, one of them's white, and we have to fit it all together and try and work out what's the black piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redraw the picture, but then I'm going to draw the picture looking at it from behind, where hopefully most of this front gray piece we can't see, but we should get a handle on what the black piece and the white piece might look like at the back. Okay, so that's the idea, and this can be a little challenging, because sometimes it's really hard to do a 3-dimensional problem like this. But if we want to do well in the contests coming up, we want to be able to do all sorts of these questions. So we've got to practice them now. It's okay to make mistakes now, but we don't want to be making those mistakes on the contest. So get exposure to every sort of question that scares you, everything you think is hard. And so we'll have the black piece back here. This is what was visible to us. And we have sort of the gray pieces and then the white pieces. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this is sort of the front. I'm going to draw this from the back. So here's the right. I'm going to draw the right over here. And we'll be viewing it from the back. All right. So the black pieces are at the very back and left. So now here the front is in the front there, and it's also in the middle at the back. So we're viewing it from the back head on, and we can just sort of see the light gray piece there, and there's a light gray piece there, and then we've got these white pieces, and then the pieces I'm going to put in blue are the ones we couldn't see at the front, and so we don't know what colors we're looking at here. Okay, so we have options. We could have, this one here be white and this one here be black, or we can have black and we have white. Okay, those are possibilities. No more gray pieces. The gray block has its 4 pieces, but we only know where 3 of the white pieces are and 3 of the black pieces. Now, if we had the black piece here, we'd have the white piece over here, but how would this white piece here be glued to these 3 white pieces here? It wouldn't. So that tells us that the middle one can't be black. It's got to be the white piece. And that leaves the black piece for over here. So now, if we just sort of redraw this but omit the gray pieces and the black pieces, we'll sort of have a little something like this. So this is the piece we now need to look for in our list of possibilities. And if we can't find it, then maybe we've done something wrong. But there's not a whole lot of working out here. It's more of a spatial reasoning problem. And our eyes quickly fall upon A. A is a single piece with 3 spokes coming out in each the different directions, up, front, or up, back, and to the left. It's the only one that fits it. No ambiguity there. So A is going to be our answer. Okay. So that was question, what was that, 14? Yeah, question 14. And in the next video, we're going to be taking a look at question number 15, and then we'll be halfway through part B. And hopefully you guys have been following along. Hopefully you're getting just as many right answers as I am. Or if I'm making a mistake, hopefully you're getting the right answer, and I'm the one who's got the mistake. And if I do, please leave a comment about that. But I think we've been doing pretty well so far. So on to question number 15.